Introduction. Hi everyone, welcome back to my ASM learning channel. Today, we're going to learn the difference between two words that often confuse English learners, neither and either. By the end of this lesson, you'll know exactly how to use them in your own sentences, and we'll finish with a quiz to test your understanding. Explanation of words. Let's start with the meanings. Neither. Neither means not one and not the other. It's used when we reject two options. Example, neither answer is correct. Either. Either means one or the other, but not both. It's used when we choose between two options. Example, either road will take you home. Examples. Neither. Neither student is ready for the test. Neither option seems good to me. Neither of the answers is correct. Neither of the players has scored a goal. Either. Either road leads to the city. Either book is fine for the assignment. Either of the teachers can help you. Either of the solutions works for this problem. Quiz time. Now it's time to test yourself. closing. Great job, everyone! Now you know the difference between neither and either. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a like, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more English lessons. Also, write in the comments how many answers you got correct in today's quiz. See you in the next video.